I'm Brian Kuhn, a Distribution Operations Manager for the East. We are having what we call a lineman rodeo competition. We've split the teams up into all the 4 areas where our operations center work out of. So they're going to install a transformer on a pole, backyard style. So we can't always get these beautiful trucks in the backyard to install transformers. So we're going to use what we call a rope block and capstan method. We have a mix on our team of senior PLTs, new fresh Red Seal journeymen and apprentices. PLT stands for a powerline technician. So this year, and as was the case last year, we had some fresh PLTs that were in the competition. They really only have been with us for less than 12 months, and they did a fantastic job. So this is really our first official National Lineworker Day competition. I think it brings out the pride in our PLTs. They're very proud in what they do.